My name is Amrik Singh, and I'm a resident of this valley for the last 30 years. And we, at a time in 1998, 4 people in this valley had started one organization. Its name is non-profit organization, Human Relations Council of Hamad, San Jacinto, and Manatee. And 1998, 4 people from different races, we started this. And now this baby is 22 years old now. I should say young, but it's old. We celebrated last year 20th birthday of this organization. And to introduce my friends as well, he is Mr. Dennis Fletcher. He's from the press, as well as freelancer covering up the events and all that. And then my lady friend, she is also Gina Esther. She is, and they both are on our board of directors, and as well as releasing the press reports, any events happening in our valley. Coming back to the situation, on 20th anniversary of this non-profit organization, its name is, as I said, Human Relations Council of Greater Hamad, San Jacinto, and Manatee region. And we select after 2-3 years one community service award to be given to the people who are providing the extraordinary services to our whole valley and our community. And 2 years back, normally we do this function in a very big gala, dinner, etc., and call all the dignitaries. But you all know that due to COVID-19, everything is restricted, so we are taking this opportunity to do this time. Last 2 years, we had given the award to Dr. K.P. Chaudhary. Of course, you know all those people. He is a Hamad Community Medical Group as well as KPC Group. So we awarded him with a great dinner gala, etc., and all that. But today, this year, my board and other people unanimously selected Dr. Abid Hussain for the thank you, for the extraordinary services to our community, even going out of the way to the community, particularly in Southeastern Asian community. Being the privilege for Dr. Abid Hussain, that he knows the language and vernacular language of the Urdu, Hindi, Punjabi, Urdu, and other languages. And this community is so comfortable to deal with Dr. Abid Hussain, so they can express their feelings, express their particularly elderly person, how they feel about themselves. Probably they will not be able to express themselves by in English also. So particularly seniors like me, particularly. So anyway, so after long research, about 2 years, we came to conclusion, my board in fact came to conclusion, that Dr. Abid Hussain is the right deserving person in this valley. So after this, normally we do that in a function, but we are doing it here. We have a plaque to honor him. And this is a very prestigious community service award in this valley. And very few people, they deserve it, but my friend, Dr. Abid Hussain. About Dr. Abid Hussain, I'm living in this valley for 30 years, and I know him the day I came into this valley. He has been doing exceptionally good job as a dedicate his services, professional services to the community. Not only that, in certain cases where it's difficult for some people to come along, and he can go and visit their homes as well and comfort them and with a very compassion. And I mean, I have no words to say about Dr. Habib Hussain. Without further delay, I don't want to take much of your time because you guys are extremely busy, busier than us. So I have a plaque from the Human Relations Council, which I will present it to my friend Dr. Habib Hussain, and that will be all. So then we can enjoy it.
Congratulations.